Are you looking for a way to boost productivity in your wooden chair factory? Today, we'll show you how to achieve 150 chairs per hour. With just one WM-204 for automatic screw inserting machine from Dai Phuc Vinh. The machine drills and inserts screws at the same time, fully automatic. No need for 2 workers per assembly stage anymore. Only one operator needed, the machine runs continuously and precisely. Speed reaches 150 chair parts per hour. Extremely efficient. Specifically, the WM-204 for drills and inserts chair back screws in seconds. The automatic screw feeding system ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation. Dual drilling heads guarantee depth and position accuracy within millimeters. Solid machine frame, stable operation, and low vibration. Suitable for all wooden chair back designs. Quick jig adjustment, flexible for various designs. Reduces errors, labor, and increases product consistency. Compared to manual work, 3x faster and nearly 0 deviation. Helps you save significant labor costs each month. The perfect solution for woodworking factories aiming for automation. Designed for wooden chair production. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, long lifespan. Experience the real performance at Dai Phuc Vinh CNC. Automate today, boost your productivity tomorrow.